Hello everyone, my name is Hani and welcome to my second presentation for Computer Science 101. So today I will talk about conditional formatting in spreadsheet. So okay, I'm sorry, but so conditional formatting, as the name suggests, it just means formatting the cells based on their conditions. So for example, we want to find which cells are greater than 2 and color them green so that it's easier to see, just like what I did here. So first, I will walk you through some basic conditional formatting. So what we need to do first is highlight a range of cells. And then we will click Format and scroll down to Conditional Formatting. A screen named Conditional Format Rules will appear on the right. So this is what conditional format rules look like. And now we will put the condition in the process under format cells if. So here I choose greater than 5. And for the response value, you can enter a number, a locked formula, or an absolute reference of a cell. You can also selecting the formatting style that you want. And when you're done, just click done here. So now, if you want to remove the format, you can just highlight the rule and click the trash icon to delete it. Yeah, it's very simple. And of course, you can have multiple rules applied to the same branch. But however, be mindful of the order of the rules because the above rules will always be considered first. So here, in the first example, you can see greater than 5 is above greater than 2. So this rule will be considered first, and then this rule will be considered second. So that's why you can see two different colors here. But in the second one, greater than 2 is above greater than 5. So any cells that are greater than 2, including the one greater than 5, will be green. So we can only see one color here. Yeah, so just be careful about that. And now I will walk us through some advanced conditional formatting. The first one is comparing two cells in the same row. So it's just the same as what we did before, but now we will use a relative reference instead. Yeah. So you can see that I use A1 here for the reference value. So let's look here. So we have the whole column B here. And so B1 will be compared to A1. And when we move to B2, it will be compared to A2. Yeah. And the same thing for A3. If the same thing for B3, it will be compared to A3. So if we use the absolute reference instead, then every B cells will be compared to A1, which is not what we want to do. We want to compare row to row. So we have to use relative reference instead. Yeah. And the next one is color scale. So you can use the color tab under the conditional format rules. Choose any color you like. And yeah, so the color scale will just apply different colors to the cells based on the values. So you can see the minimum. So here we have minimum value with the darkest color. And when the value increase, the colors will get lighter and lighter. Yeah. So so color scale will give us a sense of like which one is the smallest number, which one is the largest number. Yeah, and it also looks nice. Yeah, okay. And that's the end of my presentation. I only use one source for this presentation, which is the video about conditional formatting. Yeah, and that's all. Thank you for watching, everyone.